Welcome gamers! In last three videos we made this basic player movement, the first level and the milk portal. If you don't know what I'm doing, I'm recreating Karlson. Oh, you're wondering what Karlson is? Well, I'm glad you asked. Karlson is just a game Dani is working on, which is currently the 28th most wishlisted game on Steam, so go wishlist now, gamers. Keeping that aside. And we have another problem. See, look at this and you will find out what the problem is. See, whenever we fall off the platform, we just fall. Nothing happens. So let's just quickly fix that. So first up, I made a cube and I made it as large as possible. Then I made a new script and programmed it so that whenever the player touches the lava, first level loads up again. Let's see if this works and yeah, this works. So guys, that's it for today's video. I know this video is really small, but I'll try to make the next video big. So if you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.